What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. As always, I'd like to take a second and thank each and every single one of you guys out there that take the time out of your day to watch and support my channel. Guys, I'm excited. I just got home, but these just showed up in the mail from Lithium Cleanin Cubes. I'm excited. So this is a sponsored video. Quick disclaimer, because these were sent to me. This is not a paid sponsorship. Shout out to Josh, Bill, and McKenna from Lithium for sending me these cleaning cubes. I know my buddy Fab used them and said they work fantastic. So, figure we give them a try. Let's see what comes in the bag. That didn't work too well. That might have worked a little bit better. All right. Let's see. Fresh off of work, guys. Let's flip this camera around. All right. So, cleaning cubes represent a totally new way of thinking when it comes to restoring surfaces to the original factory look. These little scrubbers are fiercely ambitious. Sorry, I'm trying to read through the phone, but and will take the cleaning out of the soft surfaces like leather, vinyl, vegan leather, and rubber to a new level. Let's go. The remarkable performance is based on a fusion of melamine and a super potent yet solvent-free secret sauce. Ooh, the secret sauce. Brings steering wheels back to new. Remove stains from white vinyl or vegan leather. Don't have any of that right now. Removes oil buildup and shine from leather. So you guys know the body oils and stuff get on leather. Once it gets shiny, that means it needs to be cleaned. Eliminates blue denim stains. Well, I can't test this on everything, but I do got a leather wrap steering wheel on my Civic that we're going to check out. See what comes in here. All right. It's got a nice little step-by-step. There you go. Step-by-step process here. So these are slightly abrasive, so you just have to be mindful. When it comes with, ooh, 6 cubes. Nice. Let's go test these out on the Civic steering wheel. All right, everybody. I'm using my cell phone here, so you guys got to bear with me. I'm on the inside of my Civic here. As you guys can see, leather wrap wheel. It's definitely shiny. I haven't cleaned this wheel in a while. It's definitely got some shine to it. Oh, hey, little Smurf. What's up, dog? All right. So, this is a good little test section here. You can see you got a little taped off right here. So, we're going to go ahead and do half the steering wheel and see how it turns out. These are individually bagged. They are ready to go out of the bag. Now, a few things about these that I was reading is if they do tend to dry out a little bit, you can get them a little damp, get a little warm water under it or water underneath it. Little rinseless wash. I mean, whatever, you guys want to use. But if they do dry out, you can put a little water in it to bring it back. So let's get this thing open and see what's inside. All right, so we've got us a cleaning cube. It's weird they called them cubes, but they're circle. That's weird. But it's definitely a little damp. It's got this nice little felt here. Now, since it's an abrasive, you can test it on certain spots if you're not sure. Test it on an inconspicuous area to see if it will, leave the finish that you would like. So let's go ahead and let's test these out. It's going to and it says you can do circular motions. You can do, oh, look at that. Yeah, that's definitely pulling off some stuff. Like I said, I've never really deep cleaned the steering wheel at all. Come down here. Bath. I'm not trying to do nothing crazy here, guys. Just got these today. So why not go ahead and perfect candidate here is my Civic. All right, so that's that. I'll set it over here and get my towel here. Wipe this off. Wow. Steering wheel actually looks really good compared to this side. And that was pretty easy. Let's peel off this tape. On tape. That looks phenomenal. Check out that difference. Shine. I'm showing you right now. Shine to no shine. Check that out. That looks great. Huge, huge difference here. Quick bonus clip. So now that I got the steering wheel all cleaned up, since I'm a mechanic, I always get out and I hit my boots here. And these are always a pain in the butt to get out. So I'm going to take my little cleaning cube. See if I can. That works pretty good. There we go. Works pretty darn good. There's a little bit right here. There we go. How about right here where I made quick work of that. You can switch it over to the felt side if you're on a surface that's a little delicate if you want. You got a little felt side here. But these plastics, the abrasives should be fine here. Do that. Worked pretty good. Just remember, this is going to strip off any UV protection that you have. So whenever you clean, you're going to want to put a little bit of UV protection on there. Some UV protection and you'll be good to go. Alrighty, folks. A quick final thoughts segment. Lithium Cleanin Cubes. These little things are pretty freaking cool, man. They did a great job cleaning the steering wheel. They did exactly what they said it was going to do. It's going to take the shininess out of the leather on the steering wheel. And that's what it did. So now it's pretty much ready and for UV protection. Anytime you clean something, especially with an abrasive, you want to come back. You want to put a little bit of UV protection on it of your choice. Just be mindful. If you have a UV like detailer that leaves it shiny, don't complain that it didn't do its job, because these cleaning cubes did its job. The steering wheel looks great. I even tested it on the door on some grease and some stains. Works fantastic. Now, since it is an abrasive, just be careful. Like wood grain, it says don't use it on surfaces that you want to remain shiny, such as lacquered wood trim or infotainment screens. Definitely don't use it on the infotainment screens. Like some cars have like glossy wood grain along the bezels and stuff like that. I wouldn't use this to clean those. But any kind of plastic panel, steering wheel, leather, Just be mindful, and it'll do the job. Now, I have a little baggie here. I'm going to put mine in a little Ziploc bag and zip it up in hopes that it will stay kind of moist for when I need it again, or just put a little water under it and it'll be just fine. So, yeah. Quick video, cleaning cubes. Things did great. They'll be handy, and you can probably use them inside the house too if you need to. But yeah, quick video today. Nothing crazy. We're just excited to kind of get the cleaning cubes, see what they can do, play around them a little bit. So yeah, 2 thumbs up. They work good. They did what they said they were going to do. Head over to Lithium Auto Care. Check them out. I think I want to say they were around 14 bucks as of right now. This video I checked on their website, and I think they were 20, but they're having I think Memorial Day sale, if I'm not mistaken, on their site. They were like 15 bucks, and you get 6 of them individually packaged. So that's pretty slick. So yeah, Lithium, shout out once again. I appreciate all you guys, Josh, Bill, McKenna. You guys are awesome. Please, if you guys found this video helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that thumbs up for me. Click that little notification bell that when I upload more videos, you guys will get notified. I hope all you guys out there have a fantastic day, night, evening, whatever it is where you're at right now watching. I'm going to catch you guys all on the next video.